Hi, I'm Shalin Yang. I'm the Senior Principal of Little Wonders Montessori Childcare. For the Phase 2 reopening, we incorporate the COVID-safe ABC measures that were based on ACDA's guideline in our daily routines, such as increased health checks, wearing of masks, and ensuring good personal hygiene. We also choose to use the antiviral materials during our recent renovation, such as Lonprotect Antiviral flooring from JustTech, to make sure our center is a safe place for our children and our staff. We were introduced to this antiviral flooring by a JustTech consultant when we were sourcing for vendors to replace the existing hard flooring. It caught our attention because it is made with a Japanese technology that prevents the spread of viruses. Instead of settling for the normal vine flooring, we decided to cover the floors of the center with antiviral flooring. We feel more assured to have this additional layer of protection for our children, where they can play and explore in a clean and safe learning environment. And unlike regular disinfectants, which have to be used regularly, the antiviral technology remains effective around the clock and lasts a lifetime. On top of that, it prevents the growth of mold and resistance to scratches as well. So this is really a long-term solution we need. It also offers good shock absorption, which help to cushion some impacts for falls. The consultants from JustTech were very professional at their job. It was a smooth experience overall. I would definitely recommend the team from JustTech if you are looking to install this antiviral flooring in your space.